Hey there everyone! I wanted to submit a testimonial for RESTMORE because it's truly changed my life. After trying RESTMORE, I sleep better than I ever have before. RESTMORE actually allows me to fall asleep at the same time every night, and I get a full night's sleep, and I'm not sleepy the next day. I also personally love the fact that it is all natural, healthy, and it doesn't require a prescription.
RESTMORE is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get RESTMORE. Now available on Amazon. Good night.